Hi friends, welcome to Thinkers IAS. Today let's learn about feudal period during Gupta age. The important developments during feudal period which changed the course of history are grant of fiscal and administrative concessions to priests and administrators was very prominent. This practice was started in the Deccan by Shatavahanas. The practice became a regular affair in Gupta times. Religious functionaries were granted land free of tax forever, and they were authorized to collect from the peasants all the taxes which could have otherwise gone to the emperor. This made the Brahmanas much stronger. Beneficiaries were also empowered to punish the criminals. Higher officials were paid in cash, but many officers may have been paid by land grants. Since much of imperial administration was managed by feudatories and beneficiaries, with the participation of artisans, merchants, and elders in rural areas, the Gupta rulers did not require as many officials as the Mauryas did. Their political system appears to be feudal. It is very important from prelims point of view. Please make note of it. Mauryas had centralized administration, but Guptas had feudal administration. It was not central. Another important factor was decline of trade and rise of landed classes. We notice a decline in foreign trade during Gupta period. Till AD 550, India carried on some trade with some Eastern Roman Empire, to which it exported silk. Around AD 550, the people of Eastern Roman Empire learned from the Chinese the art of growing silk. This adversely affected the export trade of India. Demand for Indian silk declined. Guilds of silk weavers left their original home in Western India and migrated to Mandasar, where they gave up their original occupation and took to other professions. Emergency of priestly landlords at the cost of local peasants adversely affected, brought many virgin areas under cultivation. This emergence was the result of grant of land to the priests by the kings, as discussed before. Now let us look into social developments. Land grants to the Brahmanas on a large scale suggest that the Brahmanas' supremacy continued in Gupta times. The Guptas were originally Vaishyas. Naturally, Vaishyas were not considered kings by the people. In order to increase the acceptance by the people, Gupta kings used Brahmanas. Their legitimacy to throne is promoted by Brahmanas by depicting them as possessing the attributes of gods, and the Gupta princes became great supporters of the Brahmanical order. The caste proliferated into numerous subcastes. This is due to two factors. Large number of foreigners had been assimilated into the Indian society. Each group of foreigners was considered a kind of Hindu caste. So, they were assigned a new caste by the Brahmanas. Absorption of many tribal people into Brahmanical society by way of land grants. Chiefs of the tribes were given a respectable origin, but most of the rest of the tribal people were given a low origin, and every tribe now became a kind of caste in Hindu society. Now let us look into social satisfaction. Position of Shudras and women improved in this period. They were now permitted to listen to the epics and the Puranas, which they were not allowed before. Started worshipping Krishna. The Shudras were mainly represented as agriculturists. Practice of untouchability increased, especially the Chandalas and Chinese pilgrim Fasin mentioned their plight. Okay, that's it for today. Please download the PDF slides of ancient history video series till now. That is around total 43 videos were covered in our previous videos. You can find the link in the description box below. Please download the PDF. It is very useful for UPSC IAS prelims examination. Please subscribe to Thinkers IAS YouTube channel and click on the bell button to receive notifications. Thank you.